If you're over 60, I have an important truth to share. Every day that passes, your body is quietly losing muscle. Even if you still move around, eat reasonably well, or take your vitamins, this process, which scientists call sarcopenia, creeps up slowly. It doesn't announce itself with pain or warning. But one day you realize climbing stairs feels harder, your arms seem softer, or your legs aren't as steady as they once were. Now, here's the part most people don't know. You can reverse it. And surprisingly, the change can start with something as simple as what you add to your morning coffee. In this video, I'm going to help you understand what really causes muscle loss after 60, why it accelerates so quickly, and how a few natural nutrients, including one you can easily blend into your daily coffee, can switch your body back into muscle building mode. We'll uncover what's happening inside your body, separate science from myths, and I'll give you practical steps you can start today to rebuild strength, stability, and energy. Whether you're 60, 70, or even beyond 80, the science is clear. It's never too late to rebuild lean muscle. So if you've noticed that your energy isn't the same, your clothes fit differently, or your body feels weaker despite doing everything right, stay with me. This could completely transform how you age, how you move, and how you feel, starting with your morning cup of coffee. After the age of 40, the body's natural balance between muscle building and muscle breakdown begins to tilt. By 60, that process accelerates. This condition, known as sarcopenia, is often called the silent thief because it robs your strength and independence gradually. You may not feel it day to day, but over time it shows up in ways we often dismiss as simply getting older. You might feel weaker when lifting groceries or notice that your legs tire faster when walking uphill. You might see the firmness in your arms fading or that your belly feels softer, even if your weight hasn't changed. Many people report feeling unsteady or fatigued more often, blaming it on age. But what's really happening is the steady loss of lean tissue that keeps your body strong, balanced, and metabolically active. Sarcopenia is driven by several powerful changes inside the body. Hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone naturally decline, which reduces your ability to repair and build muscle fibers. Chronic low-level inflammation, what we call inflammaging, damages your muscle cells and slows recovery after even light activity. And perhaps most importantly, your muscles become resistant to the protein you eat. That means the same meal that once fueled muscle growth now does far less for you. It's easy to think that more walking or exercise will solve it. But without the right nutrients and biological signals, your muscles simply don't respond the way they used to. Exercise is important, yes, but exercise alone cannot rebuild what age and undernutrition quietly dismantle. The good news is that this process isn't fixed. Through targeted nutrition and simple daily habits, you can reactivate the same cellular machinery that builds strong muscle fibers, improves balance, and keeps your metabolism vibrant. And it starts with understanding the science behind how your muscles grow and repair themselves. Muscle growth is a beautiful, complex process that your body performs naturally when the right conditions are present. When you're young, every movement and meal stimulates your muscles to rebuild themselves. This process, called muscle protein synthesis, happens continuously. Old proteins are broken down and replaced with new ones, but after 60, this mechanism slows dramatically. To rebuild muscle at any age, you must reactivate this process. Science has identified several key nutrients that act like switches, turning on your body's muscle-building machinery. Again, one of the most powerful of these is leucine, an amino acid that signals your body to begin creating new muscle tissue. Unfortunately, most older adults don't consume enough leucine to trigger that process. That's why adding a leucine-rich protein source like clean plant-based or collagen protein to your morning coffee can make a measurable difference in how your muscles respond throughout the day. Another powerful ally is creatine, a natural compound found in your muscles that stores and releases energy during movement. While many people associate creatine with athletes, it's actually one of the most studied and beneficial nutrients for older adults. It helps improve muscle strength, mobility, and even brain function. Just a small teaspoon of high-quality creatine monohydrate mixed into your coffee or smoothie can recharge your muscles and make resistance training far more effective. Magnesium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids form another essential trio. Vitamin D helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis, magnesium supports energy production at the cellular level, and omega-3s reduce inflammation that blocks growth signals. When these nutrients are combined, they create a powerful internal environment for muscle repair and regeneration. Modern research shows that when older adults combine nutrient support with light resistance exercise, even simple bodyweight movements, they can gain muscle, not just maintain it. Age does not shut down your muscle building capacity. It only requires a more intentional, nourishing approach to awaken it again. Now, let's talk about some of the most common myths that stop people from rebuilding their strength. One of the biggest myths is the belief that you're too old to build muscle. This couldn't be further from the truth. Studies have repeatedly shown that even people in their 80s and 90s can increase muscle size and strength within just a few months when they combine the right nutrition with simple, consistent movement. Your muscles never lose the ability to adapt. They only lose the stimulation and nourishment they need. Another widespread misconception is that protein powders are meant only for bodybuilders. In reality, after 60, protein supplements become a form of functional nutrition. Many older adults eat less protein or digest it less efficiently due to lower stomach acid and reduced appetite. A clean, high-quality protein powder can help bridge that gap, ensuring your muscles have the amino acids they need to rebuild. Some believe that walking alone is enough to maintain muscle. Walking is wonderful for your cardiovascular system, but it doesn't provide the type of mechanical tension your muscles require to grow without resistance, even from light weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight. The muscle building signal remains too weak. Adding short sessions of resistance training, even 2 or 3 times a week, can make a profound difference. And finally, there's the myth that simply eating more food will fix muscle loss. The truth is, it's not about quantity, it's about quality and timing. Your body responds best when it receives protein and key nutrients early in the day. That's why starting your morning with the right combination in your coffee or breakfast sets the tone for muscle growth and repair all day long. Your body is remarkably intelligent. It's always ready to heal and strengthen itself when given the proper resources. The message you send to your body through food, movement, and mindset determines how gracefully you age. Let's bring all this science into a daily habit you can enjoy. Your morning coffee can become a powerful ritual for strength and longevity. Imagine starting each day with a cup that not only wakes you up, but also fuels your muscles, your brain, and your energy. Begin with a cup of freshly brewed organic coffee or decaf if caffeine isn't ideal for you. Into that, mix a scoop of a clean protein source, collagen or plant-based protein, providing at least 20 grams of protein. Add a small teaspoon of creatine monohydrate, which will blend easily and has no flavor to help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Stir in a pinch of cinnamon and a teaspoon of MCT or coconut oil. These healthy fats support brain function and energy for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. You can even add a dash of turmeric or cacao powder. Blend or stir it well until it becomes creamy and smooth. This is not just coffee anymore. It's a nutrient-rich elixir that sends a signal to your body to build rather than break down. After your coffee, move your body gently. Do some light resistance exercises or stretching within an hour. Stay hydrated throughout the day with at least 2 liters of water, and take magnesium in the evening to relax your muscles and support recovery overnight. Eat colorful foods that fight inflammation. Leafy greens, berries, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. These small daily choices create a powerful compounding effect over time. This ritual isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Each morning, when you nourish your body intentionally, you're telling it that you're still growing, still strong, still alive with purpose. So here's the truth I want you to carry with you today. Losing muscle after 60 is not an unavoidable part of aging. It's a message from your body asking for renewal. Your body is incredibly adaptable, and it's waiting for your signal to rebuild when you give it the right nutrients. When you combine natural support like leucine, creatine, omega-3s, and clean protein with gentle strength training and daily movement, you can absolutely reverse muscle loss. You can regain your balance, your energy, your confidence, and the physical independence that makes life joyful. Start with your morning ritual. Add those powerful nutrients to your coffee. Move your body with intention. Rest deeply. Eat mindfully. Each of these small steps creates momentum towards strength and vitality. Remember, longevity is not about the number of years you live. It's about the quality and power of those years. If this message resonated with you, please take a moment to like this video. Your engagement helps others discover this information and begin their own healing journey. Leave a comment below and tell me your age and what health topic you'd like me to cover next. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode dedicated to natural medicine, vitality, and graceful aging. I'm Dr. Nerita, and I want you to remember, your body can heal, rebuild, and thrive at any age. Start today, one cup of coffee at a time.